Oh!
We know this one.
Si River po, of course. Matagal ko na siyang kinontrata actually. Kasi parang gusto ko ibang story naman. Pero syempre hindi ko pa rin iiwan si Mahal. So, andyan pa rin yung story po namin. Siguro soon po. Yes, River. Diba? Oh, parang maganda yung rom-com. At nung kay Ate Klang, medyo hiwalay, horror sa kanya. Charing. Rom-com po, ganon. Yes, super, goal namin yan. And actually, we're looking forward po na isama sila talaga sa next episodes po ng YouTube ko. Kaya, yes, we're working on it.
Oh my god, one of the most valuable lessons that I've learned to PBB is definitely to be yourself. Kasi I know I wouldn't be here if I wasn't myself. Even as the youngest, I shouldn't really adjust. I shouldn't change to be where I am or to reach a certain goal and to just be me. Yeah. Oh, I was a content creator pa back in 2022. I was 13 years old when I was discovered. I was a TikToker. And from there, nakita ko ng manager ko. And then I was lucky and super blessed to be given a chance po to audition for Dream. Tapos from there po tuloy-tuloy po siya. Naging Sparkle Queens ako. And I got Widow Swar. And then now I'm here po for PBB. Honestly, I'm not sure yet because I know that there's so many different pageants that I could definitely get into. The age, hopefully somewhere around my 20s there. Early or mid-20s. I really want to finish my school muna or to continue my school when I'm gonna join the pageant. I really want to be educated and prepared for when I do it. But for now, I want to focus on showbiz because I know that it's a good stepping stone also to get into pageant. It's my real name po.
Alright, saan ang galing?
Ano history?
It's a history. My mom, she was in a bank one day. Tas women were not allowed to work pa noong time na yun in Saudi Arabia. Or I'm not sure, somewhere in the Middle East, she was working there. And when she met this woman, she was the big boss of the bank. Lumabas siya, look for Charlie. Charlie came out as a girl. So she saw like the women empowerment through it, and she saw how strong Charlie was to bank na yun. So she took that name and she put it in me.
Yung papa ko po kasi musician at into arts po talaga. So band instructor po yung papa ko, and then favorite niya akong pangalanan sa isang instrument, the snare drums. Kaya ginawa niya akong snare drum. So from snare drums po, at nagkataon na sobrang ingay ko din, parang snare drums, kaya yun po, doon po nag-start yung snare.
Bea Alonso.
Yes, I got that a lot.
Pero no relations at all.
Wala po sana. I feel like sa mukha meron.
Big natin yun.
Sana po. Pero yes, I take pride.
It's in the blood, the talent.
It's in the blood.
Yeah.
Na same kami ng may similarities kami ni Miss Bea. Ewan ko, bakit nga ba?
I don't know.
Ewan ko kasi po siguro sa hairstyle na para kulang na lang ilagay ako sa piso na na coin.
Yes!
Yan yung gusto ko. Miss Jody Santa Maria, hindi si Jose Rizal.
Hindi nagsabi ko sa'yo.
Meron po, nung nagwiwig po ako, ganyan. Sabi nila, medyo kahawig ko din daw si Miss Jody. Kulang lang ako ng ilang ligo. Pero, yes, sige, delusional akong tao. I'll take that. Hindi pa po. I'm looking forward. At mapapapicture po talaga ako sa kanya para matingnan natin.
Ma-comparison side by side.
Oh my God! Sobrang gusto ko to! Sobrang gusto ko talaga to ever since nung mga tig-aalas stress na ng madaling araw, tapos di ako makatulog, feeling ko, ini-interview ako ni Tito Boy. Ganyan dati pa nung nasa probinsya ako, naliligo ako, nag-fast talk ako mag-isa. Tapos ngayong andito na ako, sobrang ganda ng experience na wow! Andito na ako, ang layo ko na pala. Pero alam ko sobrang malayo ko pa. Pero ang layo ko na, parang ganun po na
Ikaw, Charlie.
Ako, it's actually my 3rd time this year. Because when I got evicted, I had a fast talk inside the house. I was so lucky to have a fast talk here. And I'm here again. Every time it's different. Talagang when Tito Boy has his fast talk, every single time it's always gonna be different. And I'm always so excited for the questions that he has for me. Kaya it's such a wonderful experience to be here again and again and again. And never talaga ako magsawa ng fast talk.